Solo Trucking is a tech company focused on streamlining the booking process for owner-ops who are looking for the freedom they deserve. That is why we developed the Solo app for our drivers to manage their daily business. Using the Solo app gives you the advantage of having direct access to over 500,000 loads per day from a variety of sources right there in the palm of your hand. So let's take a quick tour of the app and see how it all works. We open up the app to our dashboard. This is where we view and manage our loads, and we see all the load info by clicking right here in Details. As you see in Details, we have all the load information, and you have access to your Raycon right here in the app. So going back to the dashboard, while you're on your runs, you're also going to update your load status by simply clicking this button. This updates us here in the office, and it also notifies the broker of your status. And once we deliver, the final step is going to be to upload your BOL right here in the app using your cell phone's camera. And for a closer look on uploading paperwork and how that looks, check out our uploading paperwork training video. And now let's open the navigation tools by clicking the three lines at the top left corner and select Search to open the Solo load board. And this is what the load board looks like after you have done your search. So we can see quite a few good options in this search, but I think I'll go with this one. Let's go with Paw Paw, Michigan to Walla Walla, Washington. So once you decide on a load, we're going to hit call, and once we hit call, we can see all the broker information. You're ready to give that broker a call and make your negotiation. Once you come to an agreement, you will book and confirm the load, and it will appear on your dashboard. And if you want to see the whole booking process, check out our training video. The next navigation tool we're going to cover is Book External Load. We use this when we get a load from an outside source, whether it's a broker that you know, a direct customer you have, or any other load board. We just need to put the information manually into the app so you can manage it from your dashboard. And for a more complete look on the process, check out our Booking and External Load training video. Moving on, the next tool is Dashboard. This just takes you back to your home page where you can manage your loads. The next tab is History. The History tab stores all your previous load information. So anytime you need to go back and reference a past load, you'll find that information right here. The Recently Called tab stores all of the loads that you have been calling on. And for example, we see that Michigan to Washington load we looked at earlier. Even if you just hit the call button without confirming the call, that load is automatically stored here. So this could be used to save loads that are interesting, and you could go back and book them later. And the final tool is Call Home Base. This will automatically connect you to your fleet manager in case any issues come up on the road. Just give us a call and we will get it resolved. And that is a quick rundown on how to use the Solo app. If you want to learn more about the app, check out the Solo app training videos I mentioned. We've got the links right here in the description. If you are already onboarding with Solo, feel free to contact us through the driver's line. If you're interested in driving for Solo, give us a call at 815-821-6060 or visit our website at solotrucking.com. We really appreciate your interest in Solo Trucking. Thanks for watching.